I don't really know what I want to say. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Okay. Hi YouTube! I just wanted to share how artist is dead, how I really want to become an artist. Or me being an artist, how people are just changed. They are not living themselves. It feels like we are living in a simulation. It's like a loop of a viewer and content creator. We are living in this world where everybody has this access of creating content. Content. And it doesn't mean anything. You came up with a line. Oh, that's funny. Oh, next. We don't know what we are looking for, how we have just ruined the quality of our life. I don't know. We used to have a very qualityful life. We used to have the patience of selecting something and tracking, keeping time and watching it in our spare time. And now we are bombarded with a billion things to see, which is so tiny, which is killing our attention span. I especially wanted to make this video that there is so many things happening, and there are two types of mindset that has been taken over on my head. Creating for people to appreciate and creating to express yourself, and I've always been the second one. And nobody gives a fuck also, because there is so much coming in front of everybody that everybody is just like just scrolling like a slot machine, because we don't know what we are looking for, and it's going like ding 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 ding. Look at us like a robot. We look like a robot whose job is to do this, because this corporates, Instagram and everybody knows this secret that if we make people stuck to their phone, I think we can create simulation of people looking, getting influenced and buying things, and they just somehow creating this weird simulation. But this video is not about me raging on this technology. I just wanted to make my first video, and I really wanted to start sharing what I really wanted to share as an artist. I always wanted to create things for myself. There is so much to express. There is so much that I'm going through, and it is pure in its purest form. I wanted to create, and without giving a fuck. Nobody gives a fuck. You don't give a fuck. You know me. If you know me, if you're my relative or like you are my closest, you don't give a fuck about this, because you take your closest one for granted. You don't give a fuck about this one. So I really wanted to be regular on sharing things that is on my head. Not like this, what you're seeing right now, but as so many things, so many art that I really want to create. Salvador Dali wouldn't give a fuck about who watches it, but his art speaks, because he was going through something and he made to express that. And there is so much that is within me that I want to create. That's it. Creating it is the thing, and which makes me happy, and me being an artist and being happy by watching it, by looking at it, and that's it. My expressing is art on its own, and people, and as I put it out there over here, me putting it out over here without giving a fuck, and people who relates to it can watch it, and we can become friends. It is very hard. It has become very hard in this noisy world to make friends who connects with you on a level that you are. And I haven't found anyone. I really expect I don't give a fuck who watches it, but yet, if you find it interesting, you can talk to me, and I really want to create this community of people who can relate to what I really want to say, and we can be friends. Back in the day, Instagram, this social media, why the fuck it sounds like I'm complaining about social media, because it is part of life now. But internet has become a weird place for one people to just keep creating and one people to just consuming. Where is the reality? Where is the real emotions? I wanna bring back the point of being an artist. So there are very few artists. Nobody is an artist. Everybody is creating something which it is just so repetitive. Constantly one thing, girlfriend, boyfriend, constantly one and again, one liner. Oh, again and again. It's just it feels like we are a recursive loop of boredom. Yet we enjoy that. I don't understand it. Why are you taking yourself as a trash can and you just constantly taking in? What is happening? I don't know. I think we are becoming robots, and that is why there is not a lot of entrepreneurs or actual innovators are happening, because everybody is getting busy in wanting to be famous. Everybody wants to become famous because these corporates have given us a tool to create something that could go viral, and the numbers, oh my god, the numbers. These content creators are nothing without the numbers. They don't have any value if you just take away the numbers. I mean, the advertisers doesn't give a fuck about them. Look at the perspective from the advertisers. They see it as a bitch, and they will be like, take this money and take our name, and fucking they will do it. And this is constant loop of advertisement, and everybody's feeds doesn't feel like they're sharing their emotions and moments, but it more of feels like a banner or a billboard. Everybody's timeline feels like a billboard. In 2010, I guess Instagram was like, hey guys, we are Instagram. Please come on our platform to share the moments that you have with your friends and your family. Cut the chase to 2020. Hey, do you want to buy some lingerie on our platform? Hey, do you want to buy toothbrush? Ding, 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 ding. Oh, you want to buy? It has become a market or something, or what? As an artist, I don't give a fuck who watches this. Art is dead. I don't want art to be dead. I don't want this. I want this platform to become like a wall for me on which I can paint, and it's an open wall. Anybody can look, come and go and watch and see, but I don't give a fuck because it's my personal wall, and I want to paint whatever the fuck I want to paint, regardless of giving fuck of anyone watching it. And that makes it so much easier for me to just create things and create art. I was just wondering, if nobody existed, how would you live your life? And if everybody is dead, and I would be fucking happy. I would be happy if everybody is dead. That is dark. I'm going down. But I have this tiny phone. Can you see? This autofocus fucking doesn't work. And I really want to share what is going on in my mind, the funny things, the weird things, and everything that I really want to say, regardless of the existence of an audience. How do you like my setup, by the way? Comment if you really want to watch I don't give a fuck. I will share whenever I want to share it. I will share whenever I feel like I want to share my workspace with everybody in the world. I don't want your fucking permission to post it. I just don't understand why people has to go to people to ask for suggest what kind of content you want me to make. If you are an artist, you have so much to say, and you express yourself, and people just watch you. You don't craft your life so that you can show things to people. You live your life, and then you just express that or share that, and people react to that or people watch that. It shouldn't be other way around, that you would especially go to places just so that you could speak such certain things, and then you can share it with the people. Like, what kind of fucking thing? It is like a pre-planned simulated event that you're creating just so that you can show it to people. Where is the reality where you just go and enjoy, and the truth is dead, the reality is dead? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? People are just making certain decisions just so that they could have certain capture, certain moment. You don't craft a moment, you live it. Fuck. The million people that are following you doesn't give a fuck. Sleeping in their bed with their chadar on and they're just scrolling, they're just doing this, they're sleeping. Everybody that is following you is just under their bed and just ding 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 ding. It's just going like that. No one gives a fuck if you see it that way. I made this video just to say to myself that I really want to make things. I want to keep making things for myself. There is so much to express, there is so much to create. It is like my oxygen. When willingness to create something for yourself to fulfill your inner willingness to creating things and willingness to express yourself gets taken over by wanting to create it and craft things for others, you are dead. Thank you so much. Whoever was watching, thank you so much for watching. Let's be friends. All I really want is 10 people to listen to what I really want to say, 10 people to look at the art that I make, and only 10 people. That's it. If this world had only 10 people to love you, it would have been enough. I don't want 100,000 people to follow and mean nothing. I want to make a family. I want to make friends. I'm definitely not going to meet. I don't meet. It doesn't work that way. I really want to make an example out of myself by keep creating art, because everything is repetitive. The world, everyone in the world is creating things either for the corporate or for the audience. But I really want to create things for myself, for my heart, and for my for the things that I want to express. And I really want to become an example of that. And I really want more people gets inspired and understand how we can create things or live and become an example of an artist or an expressionist, if I say so. Thank you so much. Good night and Happy New Year. Bye.